The direct line rotary file is an exciting solution for improving access to your files while saving 50% or more of the space you currently use. If you use a rotary or are planning a purchase, this short program will help you compare our rotary file features with alternative product offerings. We're confident that once you compare, you'll see why Direct Line's rotary file is the best procurement value over the life of the unit. Let's look at some of the major differences in rotary files. Some other rotary file equipment use a protruding foot pedal to access their contents. This can cause a number of problems, such as creating a tripping hazard. Any protrusion into an aisleway not only takes up valuable space, but cannot be considered very ADA friendly. And like anything else mechanical, foot pedals can and do break. Unfortunately, they can break in the closed position just when you need that important file. Your only recourse is to place an expensive repair call. The Direct Line rotary file doesn't use a foot pedal. This means our file is ADA friendly and can be considered a reasonable accommodation to disabled employees under Title I of the American Disabilities Act of 1990. With Direct Line, there are no protrusions, making aisleways safe and roomy for everyone. Speaking of space, look how much more room you gain without a foot pedal. Take this typical installation of 3 rows, with each row providing a clear aisle space of 36 inches. With the Direct Line rotary file, you could get a whole additional row in the same amount of space. Now that's space savings. Best of all, because a Direct Line rotary file doesn't use a foot pedal, there's no need to worry about expensive and aggravating emergency service calls. Just another reason why our rotary file is your best value procurement over the life of the unit. Some rotary files have very little space between the revolving interior cabinet and the outer cabinet. This creates a potential for pinched fingers, ouch, especially if the operator is wearing rings. We've solved that problem by increasing the space between the inner and outer cabinet and by adding a soft plastic molding and bevel door panels. This means no pinched fingers or possible damage to jewelry. Now, isn't that a nice touch? Some other rotary file designs require you to use different height shelf dividers depending on the media stored. Dividers are attached to the shelf above as well as below, so that whenever a shelf is moved or media size is changed, all shelves above must also be adjusted. The Direct Line rotary file, on the other hand, uses a universal divider which is the same height and depth for use in either letter or legal size units. This means no extra shelf or media movement. If you have oversized media, you'll have trouble storing it in other rotary file equipment. Most just don't allow for larger items. Direct Line's rotary file gives you a pass-through shelf option. This provides almost 24 inches of clear front-to-back storage depth. The ease of expanding or contracting a rotary file installation is an important selection criteria. Let's look at how expansion and rearrangement are handled. Some other systems require the use of confusing starter and add-on units. When expanding, you can only add to the right of the starter unit. In this example, adding 3 more units means a starter unit must first be partially disassembled, then reassembled in the leftmost position. Only then can add-on units be assembled to the right of the starter unit to complete the row. The Direct Line rotary file is designed to be expanded. Simply remove an end panel and add units to the left or right of the row. Now that's simplicity at its best. What about rearrangement? Let's split this row into 2 individual units. Other rotary files first need to be partially disassembled to be moved. Then you'll need to purchase a conversion kit consisting of a starter canopy top, 2 end panels, 2 posts, and a filler base to change the add-on unit to a freestanding unit. The added cost is about 2 times more than with the Direct Line unit, and that's not even counting additional labor costs. Again, the Direct Line rotary file is designed to be rearranged. Simply move the units and add on end panels. That's it. Substantially less labor, effort, and cost. Expansion and rearrangement of offices are a common occurrence in today's hectic business world. To move other rotary file units, you'll need to incur the high cost of partial disassembly and reassembly, or the purchase of a special dolly costing nearly $600. Unfortunately, it also raises the height of the unit, so it may not fit through all doorways. Direct line rotary files incorporate a specially designed base, allowing it to be moved without disassembly with a conventional hand truck or four-wheel dolly. Just another of the many reasons why direct line is the best value procurement over the life of the unit. Direct line stands by its products with a lifetime warranty. You can do that when your product is so well built that it weighs an average of 40% more than units with foot pedals. And we freely publish our in-use cycle tests to further show our dedication to producing grade A quality equipment. Now that's real peace of mind. Finally, the entire Direct Line rotary file line of product and components are all stocked and available within 48 hours. We believe Direct Line's rotary file is the best choice on the market today. It's ADA friendly, safer to use, has a more flexible interior, is easier to expand and rearrange, is less costly over the life of the unit. It's available quickly and will provide years of trouble-free use. We're confident you'll agree that the Direct Line rotary file is indeed your best procurement value. Contact your local authorized Direct Line dealer for more information on our rotary file or call our 800 number for the dealer nearest you.